Hi, lovely people. How are you? I am doing great because I have an unbagging for you, and this is Spoiled Cosmetics. This is eyeshadow palettes subscription, which I love. Eyeshadows are like, I'm trying to do like a declutter, and I can declutter my blushes, bronzers, highlighters, no problem. I can get rid of. But my eyeshadow palettes, it's like, I don't know why it's so hard. I don't know. I just love them so much. But anyway, this is a bi-monthly subscription for $20. Now, let me look on the website. I'm going to look on my phone here. So, like I said, this is a bi-monthly. It is only $20, so you get it every other month. They have a monthly lip trio. So, they have a lipstick subscription where you can get 3 lipsticks every month for $18. And then they have a monthly lip set where you can only get 2 lipsticks, which is $15 a month. And then you can also buy like separate things. And I really like their eyeshadow palettes. In my past giveaway, I had Spoiled Cosmetics lipsticks and I also had eyeshadow palettes in there for you to try because I did a 12 days of giveaway, which I wanted to give back things that I love. And I really like this subscription. So I haven't opened it. I don't know what it looks like. It comes in a little envelope like this. So let's open her up and do, like kind of like a first impressions. I'm going to swatch them for you, and then we shall see. If I can cut this thing open. Okay. See what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. On the back does have the ingredients. If you want to pause it or screenshot it and look. I know some people have allergies to certain ingredients. Okay. Oh, the packaging is cute. So this is volume 6. So then the next time you get it will be volume 7 and then volume 8. So you can get the whole collection. And then back there. So it doesn't have the ingredients on here. So you'll have to keep the box if you want to save the ingredients. Okay. Ooh, so it never comes with a mirror. But for me, that doesn't bother me not having a mirror, because I don't really travel a lot or do my makeup. Like I go in the bathroom, do my makeup, or I sit right here with the mirror. All right, so it comes like this. This is really, really pretty. That is gorgeous. So you have 3 glitter shades and you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 mattes. I'm not sure if this is a matte or not. I'll have to swatch it. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmer shades. So I'm going to swatch. I'm going to go by row. I'll do this row, the 3, then here, and then I'll go down. It doesn't have names on it. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that, guys. That is so pretty. Okay. What did I do? I swatched the first one twice. All right, so that's what it looks like. Let me swatch that purple again and say, I'm going to say, oh, it's definitely buildable. Look at that, guys. Wow. Okay, I'm going to swatch this again. Yeah, see, they are so buildable. Look at that. Let me do the first shade again. Okay, so these 3 right here, the first one here, I messed up on that. That is beautiful. Okay, let me wait my thing. All right, so let's go to this row here. Oh my God. They feel really buttery. I really like these. I mean, that's gorgeous. Why am I like messing up here? Okay, so there we go. Now, there are the swatches, and they are definitely buildable. Let me show you again with this red. Okay, there we go. I'm just going to look at that. See how it's buildable? I'd rather have eyeshadows like that aren't as, that are soft, so then I can build it up. Because if you put it on too strong, if it's too pigmented, once you put it on, you can't take it away. You're gonna have to wash it off. So as long as it blends, and I don't mind that. Okay, so I'm going to go on the last row here. Oh my God, they do. Now, the one here feels a little, It's not as smooth. And there we go. And I'm going to do the second swatches just to show you how buildable that they can be. Okay. Wow. Okay, so there we go. My swatches are horrible. I know. Now we're going to do the glitters. Let's see. Oh my God, they are gorgeous. Okay, so there's the glitters. And I am just going to dab it on and show you. Because glitters would be hard to show you. I don't have primer on. So let's see. And there are the glitters. They're hard to, you know, swatch since I don't have primer or anything. All right, let me wipe my hand. All right, so we are going to do a test. And I'm going to wipe my hand, and then you can see how long the lasting power is. Because if you wipe it off and you still see pigment, then you know it'll last a while. If you wipe it off and it all comes off, then you know it's not going to last that long. And that's one thing I hate about eyeshadows, that you put on in a few hours, like the shimmers are almost gone. It doesn't look as vibrant. I hate that. So let's see. Okay, and I'm doing it hard. You can hear it. Can you guys hear that? Like, I'm not doing it soft. Look at that. It's still there. I'm doing it hard. Look at that. And it's not muddying up. In other words, it's not blending in with the other colors. So, glitter is glitter, you know. If you don't, you definitely need a glitter glue with that. And the best thing to do with that is they have them silicone glitter little things that you can go in and put it on, or you can use your finger. I like using my finger. I will use the NYX glitter glue. They have Too Faced glitter glue, but the NYX works just as well. I really do like it. I will put that on first so it's sticky, and then go in with the glitter and pat it on, you know, and that's how I use my glitter. But I really like the subscription, and it's every month, and it's great for people that are trying to build up their eyeshadows, you know, their makeup collection, their eyeshadow palette collection. I really like it. Like I said, I haven't used this one on my eyes, but all the other ones are fine for me. I really like them. And yeah, let me know what you think. I will leave everything down below if you want to check them out. The lipsticks are amazing. I do not get that subscription because I have a lot of lipsticks, but they did send me some lipsticks before to try out, and I really did like them. I really did. All right, guys, I'm going to get off of here. Please like this video. It helps me out because YouTube is really acting up. I've been saying it in my videos. They have been unsubscribing people from me. The other day, they took 98 subscribers from me. They are not sending out my notifications. So what YouTube says is they go by interaction. And so the more people that like my videos and comment, they will recommend my videos more. And that goes to any YouTuber that you really like. Even if you comment something, anything like, I liked your video, make sure you leave a comment and interact, because that really does help the YouTubers get out more and also get you notified. Because even with me, when I'm subscribed to people, I don't get notified that they have a video. And, you know, it's irritating. And then I don't see a video for a week or two, and then I look their name up, and they have like 3 videos. I'm like, what the heck? I have my bell on, so make sure you're subscribed, you have your bell on, and you like the video, and you leave a comment. And it's not just for me, like I said. It's for anybody that you really like. All right, guys, I'm going to get off of here because I'm babbling. It is late at night. I love you guys, and I will see you in my... Oh, and as always, I leave videos right here. All right, guys, love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.